and especially the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location. Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in northern New Jersey, southeastern New York State, and northeast Pennsylvania, in New Jersey, Virgin Essex, Hunterdon, Morse, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. In Pennsylvania, Monroe, Northampton, Pike and Wayne, and in New York, Orange, Rockland, and Sullivan. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KZZ31 in Hamburg, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. At 11 a.m., at Sussex Airport, light rain and fog were reported. The temperature was 46 degrees to dew point 44 degrees, and the relative humidity 93%. The wind was northeast at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 8 seconds. Inches and falling. The report from Andover was not available. New Jersey at 11 a.m. At Teterboro, rain was falling with a temperature of 45. At Trenton, at 5. Rain and fog were reported. Wave high 5 feet. Wave period 8 seconds. At Bowie and Hudson Canyon, winds were southeast at 14 knots, gusting to 17 knots. The air temperature was 57 degrees, and the sea surface temperature 54 degrees. Waves were 5 feet with a dominant period of 9 seconds. A 3-foot swell from the east with a period of 9 seconds was reported. On the Sound, the University of Connecticut Execution Rocks, winds were northeast at 16 knots, gusting to 19 knots. The air temperature was 43 degrees. At the Western St. Louis, winds were northeast at 14.
Alright, so I just found something out here while looking at the scroll on the Eton Solar link. So if we click on the these two buttons, it'll show you the scroll. And then if you press on the menu button, it'll show you this ends at 1:55 in the morning. But that cannot be possible.
Temperature 45.
Because actually no, it can. The clock's wrong. Okay, never mind. 1:55 and it's
At 20
1:44, so that's 10 minutes. Yeah, I need to change the clock on there. Okay, never mind about that. But if you wanted to see how long the alert will last for on here,
temperature was 48 degrees.
Press this button,
Wind was
then
east
click
at
the menu
14
button.
miles an hour.
There you go.
At Jones Beach, temperature was 45 degrees.
Alright. There you have it.